I'm going to teach you how to add links to your Facebook and Instagram stories. This is a new update. This is April of 2025. Hey, I'm Steph Parisi. Grab my 25-minute stories workshop to learn how to convert Facebook and Instagram story viewers into customers in less than 5 seconds. Go to stephanieparisi.com for more info. Watch to the very end as I have a bonus for you. I'm going to give you 25 ideas of different links that you should be sharing to your stories if you're a business owner that can help you boost your sales. Okay, so I'm just going to open up Facebook and then I'm going to click the blue plus sign that says create story and then grab the picture that I want. Okay, now this is really important because you're going to see on the screen here, you can do this link button here at the bottom, but we don't want to do that one, okay? On Instagram, this is so much more clear. It's not as convoluted. But for Facebook, if you are adding a link, this is a new update, okay? You want to go up to the upper right-hand corner where it says stickers and touch that, click that, okay? And then here you can see all the different things that you can add to your story. We are going to click link, okay? And then here you can add in whatever link you want, and then you can test the link to make sure it works, and then add the custom sticker text. So let me show you what I mean. So for this one, I am going to be adding in actually a Facebook group link, okay? Facebook.com/group/dynamite 6fit. This is a health group that my husband and I run. Let me test it. Let me see if I got it right. Page not found. Nope. So I think it's Facebook groups. See, that's the cool thing about being able to test it. So I test the link. Okay, perfect. It opens up to my group page. Now, if someone hit that and they weren't in the group, it would give them the, hey, do you want to join the group? Custom sticker text. So I don't want it to have this ugly link on there. I'm going to type want the recipe because, and I might even type want the free recipe because it's a free recipe. And this is a Facebook story about a really cool, low, let's see, what is it? It's a sour cream beef bake that I made the other night. Okay, now it says tap to change the style. I want to tap to change the style. I like it when it's all in caps. Now, I need to make this story a little bit more enticing. I'm going to quickly just add in text. So it is a sour cream beef bake. And the cool thing about this is that it has 37 grams of protein per serving. Okay, we're just going to add that one in there. And then if you've watched some of my other story videos, hacks like this that I'm going to show you as things that I teach in my other videos and in my workshop. But anytime you have where you want someone to click something in your story, you want to add in a little bit of motion where you want them to draw the eye. So I am going to go back to the sticker button in the upper right-hand corner and click it. This is the link that I need, so I can just X out of that. And I'm going to go to GIF. I'm going to write in flame, click to search for it, grab this little flame button here. So I'm not blocking the words, but it adds movement, okay, where I want them to click. And then all I do is click the share button. Okay, in the bottom right-hand corner, this is going to share to Facebook and Instagram. Okay, because I have mine linked. All right, that's a whole nother tutorial to begin with. So let me show you what happened to this story when I made it, because I made this story last night, posted it, and I want to show you the result. Okay, so here you can see I'm pulling up this story, and you can see right now it's been up for 16 hours, and I've had 148 viewers. And if I click that, you can see some of the different engagement that I'm getting. On that, different people. I can go to insights, see the actions taken. Okay, what's even cooler is if I X out of my story, you can see, did people follow to get the recipe? Well, if I go to that Facebook group and I go to its settings, you can see that I have 5 new member requests. So 5 people saw that story and they were like, hey, I want to get more information on this. What types of links should you put In your Facebook and Instagram stories, you could do a podcast episode, YouTube video, your YouTube video channel, blog post, your Facebook business page, social media platform, link it to Instagram or LinkedIn or Pinterest or TikTok. I could keep going. Maybe you're promoting an event or you have a ticket for sale for an event. Link to a specific product or a new product or a product that's on sale. Link to your website. Put a link to your link tree. Link to your lead magnet freebie or funnel, a free Facebook group, your book a call link or your Calendly link, Etsy shop, a recording or a replay link to a video you did, a workshop link, a webinar link. Maybe you're hosting a 5-day boot camp or challenge. Link to a testimonial post or video that someone made for you. Link to your course sales page, a digital download sales page. Link to your Amazon shop or an Amazon item that you're an affiliate for, or just another affiliate link that you have.